Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the art and science of beauty in a way that's honest, relatable, and insightful. If you've ever wanted a lipstick that blends longevity with a subtle, flattering glow, the Lasting Finish lipstick in Golden Shimmer might just catch your attention. This is a long-lasting lipstick designed to deliver a natural, soft glow finish, combining pigment-rich color with nourishing care for your lips. The formula is quite intriguing. It's buildable, so you can swipe on a single layer for a hint of color, or layer it for a more vibrant effect. It combines pure pigments with blur effect powders that subtly enhance the contours of your lips, creating a smooth, soft focus look. What sets it apart from standard lipsticks is its inclusion of balm-like conditioners, particularly castor oil, which helps keep lips moisturized while adding a radiant glow and a slight shine. It comes in 6 new wearable shades, all leaning toward natural, soft glow tones that can suit a variety of skin tones and daily looks. In terms of practical use, I found the application incredibly smooth. The lipstick glides on effortlessly without tugging or dragging, which is a big plus if you're applying on dry lips or layering over a balm. The texture is lightweight yet creamy, offering comfortable wear throughout the day. I tested it during a regular day, morning coffee run, work meetings, and even a quick lunch, and noticed that while the color does slightly fade after eating, the soft glow and overall vibrancy remain intact. For touch-ups, it blends seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about harsh lines or patchiness. One of the strengths of this lipstick is definitely its balance between color payoff and lip care. The blur effect powders really do help smooth the appearance of fine lines, giving lips a polished, fuller look. On the flip side, if you're expecting an ultra-matte, smudge-proof finish, this isn't quite that. It leans more toward comfort and a natural glow than heavy-duty staying power. The pros are clear: smooth application, buildable coverage, subtle glow, and nourishing ingredients that actually make lips feel good while wearing the lipstick. The cons? Slight fading after meals, and the soft glow finish may not satisfy someone seeking a high-impact, long-wear matte look. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's fairly justified. You're getting a lipstick that blends beauty science with everyday usability. Rich pigments, soft focus effect, and conditioning oils that genuinely help lips stay hydrated. Compared to some high-end lipsticks with similar claims, it holds up well without reaching exorbitant price points. For those on a tighter budget, similar soft glow lipsticks exist from other brands, but the combination of pigment, blur effect powders, and nourishing castor oil makes this one stand out. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, with a quality feel that doesn't scream cheap. It's sturdy enough for a makeup bag, and the twist-up design keeps the product clean and easy to use. Since this is a classic lipstick rather than an electronic or multi-step device, longevity is mostly about the formula staying fresh, which in my experience, it does for a typical shelf life of standard lipsticks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, Lasting Finish Lipstick Golden Shimmer excels in delivering a natural, soft glow finish while keeping lips nourished and comfortable. It's versatile, easy to wear, and particularly well-suited for anyone who loves buildable color without sacrificing hydration. If you've been seeking a lipstick that offers both radiance and care, this one is worth considering. Thank you so much for visiting Beautyistic. The link to purchase this lipstick is in the comments and description box. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.